Hey y'all, it's Jamie Deen. Welcome back to the Chicken Box. I was just telling Teresa before she pushed the button, the unprecedented, never matched, 20,000th time I've been on her phone without even looking in the mirror first. So I apologize for anything that you might see that's out of place. She's been here for 2 hours. The Chicken Box has been very busy today, thank you, Lord. And today, well, it's summertime, so there's a lot of people coming into Savannah in the summer. And one of my favorite things to do in the summer here at the Chicken Box and at the house is cold summer salads. So you know that I'm doing chicken salad forever and pimento and cheese, and I do egg salad and pasta salads. I made a loaded baked potato salad today. I did tomato cucumber salad today. All these are wonderful summer salads. The youngest I can remember having salad was this salad that my mom made my whole life growing up. It was one of my daddy's favorites, and I love it. Garden pea salad. So this is the English pea salad. Garden pea, English pea, young early peas. That's what we're going to start with, y'all. I have 2 cans here that Teresa's drained off for me. Now, if you've never had this salad before, you have to trust me. This is delicious. Really one of my favorite salads that I ate growing up, and could not be more simple. We've got our 2 cans of, we got the very young and early. And Teresa's diced me up some onions here. It's not very much. Let me check and see what that is.
Quarter of a cup.
A quarter of a cup of chopped Vidalia onions. And now I have 2 eggs. And I'm going to rough chop real quick. I can't explain Southern salads other than to say most of them have eggs in it for some reason. One of my newer friends from South Florida, who I'm getting to know, really enjoyed the chicken salad and could not believe that we put eggs in the chicken salad. Well, he's really not going to believe this. We got eggs in a garden pea salad. And this calls for just enough mayonnaise to moisten it. So I'm going to go maybe... I'm going to go 2 tablespoons. I'm going to go... No, I'm going to go 1.5. I think I got too much.
Shelly rolls over here giving her 2 cents worth.
As usual, I wouldn't be able to find...
Because my mama used to make. That's why.
Your mama made this salad too?
Yeah. That's why I said, no, you should put that little bit more in there.
Well, we'll see after I mix it up.
Okay.
Now, the recipe doesn't call for salt and pepper, but I'm going to salt and pepper this a little bit. This is Mama's recipe, Nita, not yours. Okay. All right, hold on. Let me get my spoon. You know I like to season my mayonnaise. That way, everything that touches the mayonnaise has got a little seasoning in it. Now, Nita, I'll ask you this. Did your mama put pimentos in her salad?
No, but she didn't like it.
I'm not going to put pimentos in mine either because I don't like it.
Mm-hmm. She didn't like it.
Paula probably did it to make it have some color.
Yeah. It could use a little bit of color.
A little pretty.
It looks a little bit like baby food. And I could put some pimentos in there, but that's not the way that I ate it growing up, so I'm not going to put pimentos in this one either. Hey, y'all see how simple that is? Now let's dip some up. Come on through, Will. So just enough, y'all. But let me taste it. I'm telling you, we're busy here around Chicken Box, but I always got time for good food. I just love it. I always have. I love English peas. Hot or cold, they're really delicious in this salad. Y'all literally take 2 minutes this summer to fix this garden pea salad that Mama's done. I think we looked at this recipe about 4 years ago. It's a classic, and we're trying again today. Y'all eat up. I'm Jamie Deen. This is good food. See you around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.